Man, boy, my new budgie here, Viking, he just really thinks he's one of the gang, and the male dove is just not really liking it. I came in the room now, but he stopped cooing, but he was just not really liking that the old parakeets cruising by him. But now he seems to, well, he's looking at me in the light of the camera, so it's kind of drawing the attention away. But named the Budgie Viking just because of this nice purple coloring. And he's just a baby. He's basically just out of the nest, a couple weeks ago. And the doves are young too. Yeah, now they're all behaving. I was hoping just to kind of get the male. He was kind of making his noises. But yeah, obviously I don't keep the parakeet and the doves together. I was just letting them out for a little flight, and the parakeet always flies into their cage just to kind of check it out, once the doves are out of there. But parakeet likes the doves. Doves not so much liking the parakeet. But who knows? Maybe they'll all become good friends. Doing this little cooling. Alright, have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.